Hello traders, you are welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. So in this particular video, I am going to be showing you how to trade stocks on Android. All right. Mobile trading has completely changed the way traders interact with the stock market. With just your Android phone, you can now open, monitor, and manage trades anywhere, anytime. All right. So in this guide, we'll go through everything step by step so you can understand exactly how to trade stocks on Android. All right. Let us begin with the basics. The first thing that you need is a trading app. All right, there are several reliable trading apps available on Google Play Store, okay, depending on your region and your broker. All right, so just make sure to choose a reputable one that is regulated and has good reviews. Okay, so we're just going to do a very quick research on some of the best stock trading apps out there. All right, and then we're going to be downloading one of them and setting up the account. Okay, so let us find out some of the best stock trading apps on Android. All right, then from there we're going to download one of them and set up an account. Okay, we have Nemo Money, we have 4.4 rating here, 6,000 reviews. We have Olymp Trade 4 rating, 992k reviews, and we have Export Option 4 stars reviews, so 4 stars rating. Okay, I guess we're gonna go with Nemo Money. All right, but before that, let us see. Okay, 500k plus downloads, and let's go to more info. Let's check out some reviews here. Okay, all right, seems like there are actually some negative reviews, but there are a lot of positive reviews as well. Anyways, we're just going to use this as an example for this particular video. We're going to be downloading it and setting up an account. All right, so after downloading the app, we're gonna create an account, verify the account. Most trading apps will require you to register with an email and password. You also need to go through a verification process, which usually involves submitting a valid ID and proof of address, right? So this step is important because it ensures the security of your account and complies with regulations. Okay, so we're almost done now. It's installing. Immediately after installation, we're just going to get the app open. All right, and we're going to proceed from there. Okay, so we are in now. All right, so this is just one of the examples of the applications that you can use to trade stocks on Android. Okay, you must not necessarily go with this particular app. You can use any other app of your choice. Just do your research and check out reviews, check out the features of the apps, and then select the particular one that you feel suits your trading expectations. Okay, so now we can proceed to creating an account. All right, okay, so you can see email and mobile. You select your country here. All right, after selecting your country, then you proceed to continue. You put in your email and your phone number. So I have imputed my email address and phone number, and now they have sent me a code which I am going to get and impute right now. Okay, so we are in, and now we're required to put a password. So I'm going to put a password right now, and then we proceed from there. Okay. All right. So as you can see, we are required to complete our profile. We have to pass through the verification. Basically, it's required. It's one of the requirements. The verification process, it involves submitting a valid ID and proof of address. Possibly after we are done filling in this personal information, we're likely going to get to the stage of documents. Okay, so I just had to post the recording in order to fill in all my personal information. Now I'm done with that, and you can see that the next step is to verify identity, just like I initially mentioned. Okay, so because that is a normal procedure. Now, once you're done filling in all your personal details, such as your name, email address, your phone number, your address, that is your residential address, and other informations like your employment and all of that. They ask a lot of questions. So once you're done with that, and the next thing is to verify your identity using your ID card, your passport, or your driver's license. Okay, so we're going to click on that right now. So once your account is verified, it's time to set up your trading dashboard. Android trading apps are designed to be user friendly, but it's important to take a few minutes to understand the layout, you know um, learn where to find your portfolio, your watch list, and trading history, right? You have to familiarize yourself with the search bar so you can look up stocks quickly, all right, and all of that. Okay. Now let's talk about finding and analyzing stocks, right? Using your Android device, you can search for any stock. Okay. You can just search if you are using this Nemo app. Okay. You can just search for the particular stock that you want to trade, by typing its sticker symbol here, right? For example, if you want to search for Apple, I'm going to type it in there, or the company name, right? So most apps provide real-time price data, charts, and key statistics. So you take advantage of candlestick charts and indicators to help you with price movements and identify trading opportunities. All right. But now, of course, the app, it depends on the particular tools and features available on the app. Not every app is going to have a lot of features for you. So if you want to do detailed analysis, you might have to make reference to other applications, maybe like TradingView, in order for you to get detailed analysis. But here on this app, you can just see maybe basic information, like you can see just the line chart is what we can see here, and then we're having trending news topics, analyst recommendation, potential profit, financial health, investment type, dividend sentiment, and the rest of them, right? And there is also an AI, that you can ask questions. Okay. So once you've chosen the stock, all right, of course, you have to deposit first, right? You can see the deposit here. You have to deposit money. After depositing money, then you can proceed to placing an order, whether you want to buy or you want to sell, you can see, right? So you have to first of all deposit money into your account using any of the deposit options available, and then you proceed to buying the stock that you want to buy. Okay, it's also important to manage your portfolio directly from your Android phone. You can monitor your open trades, check your balance, view your past transactions with just a few taps. Many apps also allow you to set alerts. I don't know if that is available here on Nemo, but it's supposed to be an option. It's supposed to be a feature. Well, I'm just assuming that alert feature should be available on several apps, because that's actually a very important feature. Okay, but we are not here to go into so many details, right? But so far, we have seen that trading stocks on Android phone can be, relatively easy, because let's just go to the deposit and see. Okay, you can deposit, click on the deposit option that is available. All right. So basically, once we are done with that, then I'm not going to be depositing at this time though. But once you're done with that, then of course you can just proceed to buying the particular stock that you want. All right. Before we wrap up, let's go over a few security tips for Android trading. Always enable your two-factor authentication, okay, to add an extra layer of protection to your account. Avoid using public Wi-Fi networks when placing trades, as they can expose you to unnecessary risks. And finally, keep your app and Android system updated to ensure you are running the latest security patches. To summarize, trading stocks on Android involves downloading a trusted trading app, creating and verifying your account, learning to navigate the platform, searching for stocks, placing orders, managing your trades securely. With these steps, you'll be able to trade stocks confidently from your Android device. If this guide on how to trade stocks on Android was helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our future trading tutorials. See you in the next video.